Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. Kids, first we draw the alphabet of A. The next one is B. Kids, now we draw the alphabet of C. C for cow, C for cat. And the next one is D. D for dog, D for dog. The next one is E. E for elephant. The next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. And now we draw the alphabet of G. G for God. The next one is H. H for hand. Now we draw the alphabet of H. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is I. Now we draw J. And the next one is K. Now we draw L. The next one is M. M for moon, M for mangoes. The next one is N for nose, N for nest. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, the next one is O. O for orange. And the next one is P. P for penguin. Now we draw the alphabet of Q. Q for queen. And the next one is R. R for rose. Kids, subscribe to our channel. R for rose. And the next one is S. S for sun, S for snake. Now we draw T. T for teacher. The next one is U. U for umbrella. The next one is V. V for vanilla. The next one is W. And now we draw X. The next one is Y. The last one is Z. Z for zoo. Today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. Thank you so much for watching.